Question number 1. So we have negative 2 times negative 4 minus 3z equals 7z. We need to solve it for z. Okay? First, let's distribute. Negative 2 times negative 4, positive 8, plus 6z is equal 7z. Next, I'm going to combine z together. Moving here, it will be 8 is equal 7z minus 6z, right? And 8 is equal 1z. Question number 2, or I'll write down z is equal 8. This is more proper. Number 2, negative 4x is equal 13 minus negative 7. Okay, 13 minus negative 7. So from here, negative 4x is equal 13 plus 7. Yes? Negative 4x is equal 20. X is equal negative 5 because we divide by negative 4, divide by negative 4. And we are getting negative 5. This negative 4 is cancelling each other. This 4 cancelled with this 20 is 5, so negative 5. Question number 3. 17 minus 12 is equal x over negative 7. We have like terms, 17 and 12. 17 minus 12 is 5. Equal x divided by negative 7. We need x by itself without negative 7. Since here we have divided by negative 7, that means we need to multiply by negative 7. Which means you have to multiply by negative 7 here also. So negative 7 is gone. And we get negative 35 is equal x. Or x is equal negative 35. Question number 4. What do we have here? 3 times a number, here it is, decreased by 2. There we go, decreased by 2. Okay. Question number 5. The quotient, right away, put the fractional line. The quotient of negative 2, here we go, negative 2. And the product, so here I put product, multiplication of number and 5. Which means I can put one more time, negative 2 over 5x. Number 6, negative 3, we need to multiply 3t plus 8. Okay, negative 3 times 3t, it's going to be negative 9t. Negative 3 times 8, it's going to be negative 24. Number 7, negative 4y minus 7 plus 10. Okay, it's going to be negative 4y plus 7 plus 10. So what do we get from this simplification? Two like terms, it's going to be negative 4y plus 17. Next, number 8. Negative 7 z plus 3 plus 3z. Okay, let's distribute negative 7. This is going to be negative 7z. Negative 7 times 3 is going to be negative 21 and plus 3z. So negative 7z plus 3z is negative 4z, right? These are like terms. Negative 4z and minus 21. Question number 9. Negative 4 and minus 1 minus 5n. Okay, distributing negative 4n plus 4 minus 5n. So combining like terms, it's going to be negative 9n plus 4. Okay? Question number 10. 5y minus 3y 3 times y minus 1 plus 5. So we have 5y minus multiplying 3y. It's going to be plus 3 plus 5. It is equal. These two are like terms. These two are like terms. So 5y minus 3y is going to be 2y, and 3 plus 5 is 8. Question number 11. Negative 30 let me see, divided by 5 minus 2 divided by 2. All right, negative 30 divided by 5 is negative 6. Subtract 2 divided by 2 is 1. Negative 6, negative 1 is negative 7. Number 12. 8 times negative 15 divided by square bracket 5 times negative 8 minus 3 times negative 13. Somewhere I missed some parentheses. I think this is, we don't need this one. Okay, so 8 times negative 15, right? It's gonna be 120, negative 120, divided by 5 times negative 8, gonna be negative 40, plus 39. Next, negative 120 divided by negative 40 plus 39 is going to be negative 1. And answer going to be positive 120. Number 13. Evaluate x squared when x is equal 10. Negative 10, okay? But it'd be negative 10. So since we have x squared, so it doesn't matter, negative 10 or positive 10, right? Negative 10 squared is 100. Positive 10 squared also 100. So it doesn't matter because we are taking power 2. Next. Number 14. Evaluate AB. A is equal -4. B is equal -3. AB is equal -4 times -3 is equal 12. Number 15. Okay, a weather forecaster predict that the temperature will drop 2 degrees each hour for the next 5 hours. So 2 degrees each hour for the next 5 hours. So if for 1 hour it's dropping 2 degrees, so it's gonna -2 degrees. For 5 hours, it's gonna drop 5 times -2 degrees, right? Which is gonna be -10 degrees total. Or a -2 times 5, which is operation. Yes? Okay. So it's gonna drop by -10 degrees. Next one, number 16. Evaluate AB for A is equal 9, B is equal -8. AB is equal 9 times -8. -72. 17, -3. What is there? +5 minus -24 minus 13. Okay. -3 plus 5 is 2. 2 minus -24 minus 13. 2 plus 24, right? Because of this negative and negative, right? And minus 13. So here we get 2 plus 24 is 26. Minus 13 equal 13. Number 18. Absolute value -16 minus absolute value 16. Absolute value of -16 is 16. Absolute value of +16 is still 16. And result is 0. Question number 19. We have -10 minus -14 plus -4 minus 20. Okay, so what do we have? -10 plus 14 minus 4. I dropped this plus sign, just might as well -4, and minus 20. Okay, since we have all plus and minuses, so just add and subtract one after another. So -10 plus 14 is +4. 4 minus 4 is 0. The answer is -20. And the last question, number 20. -5 minus 28 plus -13. Okay, -5 minus 28 plus -13. All right, so first, Negative, negative 5. We get positive 5 minus 28, and instead of plus I'll just put minus 13, right? And we get 5 minus 28 is going to be negative 23, right? Negative 23 and negative 13, it's going to be negative 36. Okay, I'm done. So this was your practicing problems for your quiz and test. So I recommend you to solve on your own. Make sure you know how to solve it, and I wish you good luck. And I'll see you in next homework.